AutoDS Chrome extension guide, how it works and why you need it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wished product importing, tracking, and order fulfillment could be a little bit easier when dropshipping, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you exactly on how you can use the AutoDS Chrome extension, how it works, how to install it, and why it's a must-have tool for serious dropshippers. So whether you're selling on eBay, Shopify, Facebook Marketplace, or WooCommerce, the extension helps you save time, avoid mistakes, and scale smarter. So let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about on what is the AutoDS Chrome extension. The AutoDS Chrome extension is a free browser tool designed to simply quickly import products from supported suppliers into AutoDS. For example, those supported suppliers can be AliExpress, eBay, Walmart, and more. You will be able to quickly or automatically collect product data like images, description, variants, and pricing, and you will be able to simply track and fulfill orders more efficiently. So it acts like a bridge between your supplier's website and your AutoDS dashboard. Instead of manually copying and pasting product info, the extension grabs it in seconds and sends it straight into your system, ready to edit, list, and sell. Now, how to go ahead and install the AutoDS Chrome extension. The first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to the Chrome Web Store. Now it is going to be the chromewebstore.google.com, and once inside, you then want to simply search for AutoDS. Right after that, you then want to open up the AutoDS Dropshipping Helper. It's going to be from AutoDS.com, and it has a rating of 4.1 stars. Once inside, you just want to click on the install button. From there, you will be able to simply install the AutoDS extension right here. Just click on the AutoDS platform, and from there you will be able to simply connect your extension through your website right here. Now the supported suppliers is going to be Amazon, US, UK, Canada, etc. Now basically the extension works with major dropshipping suppliers. Another suppliers is AliExpress, Walmart, Home Depot, Costco, CJ Dropshipping, and more. If we navigate through their main website right here, we can then go ahead and see a list of their suppliers for AutoDS. If you click on show more supplier, it will then present us with suppliers that we can go ahead and use, or the supported supplier that they simply trust. Now, to go ahead and use the extension, we can go ahead and do this by the one-click product import. This is the main feature most people love. So when you're browsing a product page on a supported supplier site, you'll notice a small AutoDS button pop up window. So you just have to click on it and the extension will grab the product title, description, price, variants, and images, add it into your AutoDS draft listing, and let you choose which store to assign it into. For example, you have your eBay store, Shopify store, etc. You then want to save it as a draft or publish it right away. It's way faster than and more accurate than copying and pasting or manually creating a listing. So if you navigate through a supported supplier like eBay right here, and let's go ahead and say that I want to sell this specific item into my AutoDS connected store, you can just go ahead and click or open up the Chrome extension right here. And once again, you will be able to import this into your AutoDS dashboard by just a single click of a button. Now another function is going to be the bulk import from search results. If you want to import dozens of products at once, you just want to go to any search result page on Amazon, AliExpress, or another supported site. You then want to click on the AutoDS icon in your Chrome toolbar, and from there, you then want to click on extract. It will pull all the item links from the page, and you can create bulk import to your AutoDS dashboard. Now this is perfect for testing entire product niches building seasonal collections, or just filling out a new store fast. Another function is going to be the automated order fulfillment helper. Now, if you have auto order enabled in your AutoDS account, the Chrome extension helps automate logging into your supplier account, placing the order with the customer's details, and updating tracking numbers. For some platforms like Amazon and Walmart, the extension even fills in addressed fields for you, completely hands-free. This helps prevent order delays and makes scaling easier without hiring VAs right away. Now, another function is the tracking and account sync. This extension can go ahead and help maintain a smooth connection between your supplier account, like to the Amazon, AliExpress, etc., your selling account from eBay, Facebook, Shopify, and your on your AutoDS dashboard. Now, if AutoDS ever has trouble syncing due to login issues or security prompts, the Chrome extension can restore the connection and keep the order process moving. Now let's go ahead and talk about on why you need the AutoDS extension. Let's talk about why this tool is essential if you're serious about dropshipping. Number one is speed. Importing products manually takes hours. The extension turns that into seconds. Second is accuracy. No more typos or copy-paste errors in description, prices, or images. Scalability, so if you're scaling up to 100 plus orders a day, manual fulfill won't cut it. This extension automates half your workload. And lastly, you have better store management. You can focus more on researching, winning, running ads, and talking to your customers instead of fixing broken listing or filing in order forms all day. Now I also want to talk about some common issues and how to simply fix them. A few quick tips in case you run into problems or the issues that product not importing properly. You want to make sure that the site is supported and you're logged into AutoDS. Once again, you can just navigate through a supported website, not to a random sketchy website out there. And from there, the AutoDS pop-up icon will show up. Now, if the button is not showing up, you just want to refresh the page or reinstall the extension. If the orders aren't auto-filing, you want to check if the auto order is enabled in your AutoDS settings and that your supplier account is active. And so, the AutoDS Chrome extension is one of the easiest ways to cut down time, reduce errors, and scale your dropshipping store like a pro. It works with your favorite suppliers, streamlines product importing, and makes order fulfillment so much easier, especially if you're managing multiple stores or platforms. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.